FabFitFun. Need I say more? Today, we are talking about probably one of the best subscription boxes out there. Or at least I think. Because this is my first time getting it. Is FabFitFun really as amazing as everyone says it is? And is it actually worth it? Well, let's find out. If you are new and you just stumbled on this channel, let me just take a quick second to introduce myself. My name is Yoana. You can call me Yo. Fitness, workouts, nutrition, tips, advice, motivation, all goes up Tuesday, Friday. Sundays are more vlogs. However, things are about to change up. Let's talk FabFitFun. I have been eyeing this subscription box for about a year now. It's no secret that a lot of YouTubers, a lot of social media influencers, you know, they've partnered with FabFitFun, and that's, I think, how FabFitFun kind of blew up. But I have been eyeing them for quite a while. I have watched some spring unboxing, so I know some of the items I'm going to be getting. I also ordered one extra item on top that I'm going to share with you guys. So I ordered me a duffel gym bag. Luna. I ordered a duffel gym bag, and it says looking good, feeling good, which is actually pretty much my motto, because I always say if you look good, you feel good. So yeah, pretty accurate. Oh, it says baby girl, you gotta watch your health. Don't I always say hashtag health is wealth? Just saying. Okay, just your average duffel bag. That's it. I wish it came with a longer strap. That kind of sucks, but no. For me, it's cute. It's perfect. Moving on to the rest of the box. All right, let's see what we got here. Gorgeous packaging. This little flyer thingy tells you about every product that you get and the value of the bag and all of that pizzazz. We will check that out later. Now, this is actually one of the reasons I got this, because I saw Whitney's unboxing, Whitney Simmons, who's a really famous fitness YouTuber. I saw her unboxing of hers, and she pulled this out, and I was like, oh, I have to have that. So I love makeup, especially lipstick. Whew, if you saw my lipstick collection. I love me some good lipstick. So I saw this and was just like, I have to have it. So this is the Ish, I'll bring it closer, the Ish Lip Statement something palette. Ah, it's so beautiful. Woo, look at that. Ooh, I am so excited to start rocking these colors. Moving on. Look how pretty this is. And it is a bracelet. See that? Oh, can you guys see it? I love me some bracelets. This bracelet, if you guys ever wonder, I wear these two bracelets. This one says, I am so blessed. I bought it in the airport when I was on a layover. This one is a bracelet that my best friend gave me because I'm going to be her maid of honor in her wedding coming up in 2019. Ooh, Rachel Pally, I know what this is. It's like Christmas. It's like getting a whole bunch of presents. Ooh, I love this subscription box. Okay. It is a clutch. Oh, it's so cute. How did they know? These are like legit my favorite colors. Ooh, I'm very excited. I have nowhere to wear this to though, because I never go out, but I'm going to make excuses to go out so I can wear this. Add that over there. Next up, ooh, this is a candle. Number one, focus please, on the camera, on the candle. Number one, Manhattan Beach. Bergamot, musk, white jasmine, Brazilian softwoods, citrus, and heliotrope. No idea what that is. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God. Smells like a beach paradise. Oh yeah. Okay, moving on. I got this Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. It's hydrating. That is in another language. Let's see here. I have really sensitive skin. I have acne prone skin. I had really bad acne when I was growing up, and I was able to heal my acne, which I can do a video on for you guys if you guys want. I have really clear skin now. So I think my skin will be able to work with this. And the good thing is I needed a moisturizer, so very happy about that. All right, I'm very excited about this as well. Can you guys see it? It is Free People with Love. Okay, so if you follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, go check your girl out, because I post on Insta story pretty much on a daily basis, all my shenanigans, and you see a lot of videos of my dog, because she's the best. So I love me a night mask, and sometimes I'll be in my Insta stories and I'll just take off my night mask and talk every morning. But yes, I love me a night mask. This is so nice. This is like a really high quality one. I really hope I never lose this because it's so nice. And what's even better, because I saw this in the video, so I already know, it's got like a eye thingy. So what you do is you put this in the freezer, you let it get cold, and you stick it in here. Oops. You stick it in here, put it on your eyes, and you know what that's good for? For your little baggies. Because your girl, yeah, she's got baggies. Because I'm not young anymore. Runs in my family. Yeah, Latinos, we just are so passionate that we just drain the energy from our face. It just happens, yeah. Anyway, we're almost running out of presents. Okay, next up. Ooh, the Coors. Can you guys see it? Yes, focused. The Coors Guava Body Butter. 93.9% natural. Okay, let's try. Oh, that's nice. That, oh my God. You know what's probably gonna end up happening? I'm gonna probably end up buying every single one of these products again. Like the creams and stuff, because, wow. I wish you guys could feel how soft, ow, I pulled myself. I wish you guys could feel how soft and moisturized this is. Wow, that's really nice. Okay. I can't say it, I'm sorry. Okay, makeover, concealing ridge filler. Combines 2 extraordinary, anti-aging, blah, blah, blah. Conceals nail imperfections. I have amazing nails. Right now, don't look at my nails because they're really bad. I need to do them. But I have amazing nail beds, and every time I go to the salon to get a manicure, they're always like, you have amazing nails. You have amazing nail beds. You don't need fakes. What I usually do is I grow out my natural nail because it actually grows long. Then I get an almond shape, and then I get shellac. And then that will last me for a good 3 weeks. And then I just get them trimmed, and that's what I do over and over. Unfortunately, one of my nails broke, so I wasn't able to do that. But this should help grow them out, which will be nice. You're probably wondering, what the hell is that? Well, if you're not in the fitness industry or you don't work out, you're probably like, what the hell is this? Well, this, ladies and gentlemen, is like a rolling ball thingy for your muscles. I get really sore muscles, like really, really, really sore muscles. Like I could just be sitting there and my muscles will get sore. I don't even have to work out. I don't know if it's because I'm getting old or it's genetics, but I just get really sore really easily. So I'm really looking forward to this, especially on me. Oh my God. I can't speak English today. Especially on my calves. Oh, I'm really excited for this. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. So if you do, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't heard, YouTube's changed up their style. Apparently they don't care anymore if people hit the notification button or not. So it doesn't really matter to me anymore that much, or to YouTube, but I would still appreciate it if you would click that bell, because then you know when my videos come out and you can watch them right away, so you can stay up to date, because I have some big news coming for ya, coming at ya. Yeah. Okay, anyways, Stay healthy, wealthy tribe, and I will catch you guys tomorrow with my big announcement. Oh, mind-blowing announcement. Bye.